Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you. If you love playing around with lighting effects, you are in for a treat. So I recently purchased this awesome Galaxy light from Temu for just $3.49, and I couldn't wait to test it out and show you all the creative magic we can do with it. But before we dive into this fun project, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Sarah, your go-to creative and budget-friendly photographer. On this channel, I'll show you how to create stunning photos without breaking the bank or needing a fancy studio. I love using everyday objects and affordable alternatives that you can easily find at home. If that sounds like your kind of fun, hit that subscribe button right now. Every week I share new and exciting photo creations that you won't want to miss. Alright, let's get into it. Here is the light I got it. It's compact, versatile, and most importantly, super affordable. I'll leave the link in the description below if you wanted to check it out yourself. Now, let's see what this baby can do and jump to the studio. Hey guys, here we are in my garage to show you how I did this photo using the Temu light, which is right here. So first, I set up a fabric background, this black one. This fabric is just a jersey and you can find it's pretty cheap and you can find in any fabric stores. My camera was in a tripod positioned right in front of me because, as usual, you know, I will be the model, and I use my 24 to 7mm lens all the way to 70 because it's quite a tight shot. Just wanted that to picture my face. Since this light is a USB light, it's very small, you can see, I had to use an adapter and an extension cord to connect the light, and I use a light stand to place the light on place. And it's super easy to use. You just need to turn it on, bang, and this is the light. You can't see very much right now because I need to turn off the lights. So let me turn off the lights and you see how this works. So I just position myself in front of it, and by using my phone and by using Imaging Edge, I was able to see me. And this is pretty good. I mean, if you can't hire professional makeup artists, if you only got like less than 200 subscribers on YouTube, you need to improvise and make it work. And just look at my happy face when I was doing the photos. I was so impressed with the results and how the photos were turning out that I was quite happy, you can tell. Now let's head back to my editing room and check out what I have got from this photo shoot. Here are some of the raw photos, guys, I took. No editing yet, just straight from the camera. I chose one image to edit and clean up some stray hairs and imperfections, did a little bit of burning dodge for more contrast, adjust the vibrance and edit sharpness with high pass. You can also tweak the colors to your liking. And here's the final picture. What I love about this light is how it can completely transform your images. A simple, budget-friendly light from Temu that can elevate your photography game. I hope this inspires you to get creative with your own setup. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Share this video with your friends who love photography and leave a comment below letting me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!